catch up here, and then we're gonna get going on the forest run. I just stopped the camera there on the road a little bit because we've been down that road a few times on my videos. Plus it's very windy today, or breezy I should say, and caused a lot of wind static sound on the camera. Really got to do something about that. We'll figure that out one day. But for now we're just waiting now to get into the trail here, and then the fun stuff is about to begin. We have 1,163 kilometers on the Grizzly now at 56.1 hours. Thanks again, Alpha Riders, for joining us all of these kilometers and all of this time. Trail begins. We've got a Polaris Sportsman 850, the blue one up ahead there, and a Polaris Razor here in front. I've been really liking the Razors lately. Oh shit. Yeah, you guys go ahead. Engine problems.
I'm sticking with you.
Yeah, well, I can find my way back. And well, I don't know exactly what's wrong with the bike or whatever.
Okay, I'll stay with you. Okay, just hang on a second.
Shit.
Sand to a land, sand to a land. So you're gonna go back?
Yeah, I guess so.
I'll go with you.
Okay, so we just had to take the walk of shame. Or the ride of shame. Feels actually better right now than it did, but it didn't for half, but man, that thing's different. It's supposed to be an awesome father's day. Can I put it back into park now?
See what it does.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's your code's probably coming back that there's an issue there.
Yeah.
Right? And that's why she's gone into the limp mode. Right?
Yeah.
My wife's ace, we were out one day there last year maybe on limp mode. And what it was, there was mud under the throttle.
Yeah.
Under the throttle, or under the gas pedal. Right?
Yeah.
So it was something simple like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
I took it over to Jane Recycle and all he did is pressure washed it under the gas and we've been fine. So it's probably something simple where it's getting a code, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it's just saying, fuck you, fix me.
Yeah.
Right? Then I think that's all it's doing. And possibly the lockout going into the shifter could be, it might be that you're just overheating.
Hey Alva Riders, it's me again. Today is September 9th, 2019, and as you saw in the last videos, the last time I rode the Grizzly was on Father's Day, June 16th, 2019. It's been nearly 3 months since I've ridden her. After the problems on Father's Day, I put it in the garage, frustrated, angry, saddened, and ready to sell. It sat in my garage for the entire summer, and today I've decided to bring it back and get it repaired at a different place this time, and hopefully we will be successful. Getting ready to go off to another mechanic, a better one this time, I hope. These people have come recommended to me, and so I'm hoping that they'll get me back on the trails and we won't have any further issues. If there are many issues in the future, I don't know what I'm going to do. Possibly sell, possibly throw this thing into the river, I don't know. Anyways, we're off. We have a journey to go on, and I'll be back home later today. Maybe give you an update, maybe not. Well, welcome back, Alva Riders. It's been a long time. It doesn't seem like a long time for you, maybe, on the magic of YouTube, but it's actually been 3 whole months since the Father's Day breakdown. Father's Day was on June 16th, 2019, and today it is September 17th, 2019, 3 months and 1 day after the Father's Day breakdown. This is the first time I've ridden since then. I can explain a little bit why it's taken so long to ride as we go on. I was frustrated and disappointed, discouraged and angry and sad and everything in between. I wasn't sure if I was going to sell the bike or fix it or not fix it or hold on to it forever. I wasn't sure. It took a long time to decide. But last week I sent it in to get fixed, and guess what? It wasn't the $1,000 that I thought it was going to be. It actually only ended up being $117. And the bike works, I think. You know, I rode it around my block twice just to see how it runs. The guys there at the shop said it runs good now. Anyways, as you saw, the bike shut off as we entered the trail completely. And as I tried to put it back into gear, it made the most horrendous, loudest sound ever. And the gear shift was absolutely so hard to move. You had to yank on it with both hands, and there was a huge problem going on. I didn't know what was happening. So anyways, the resolution of the fix-up was checked over, reinstalled the throttle body, was not in the manifold properly. Clean the dirty air filter. Hard shifting was due to rough idle from throttled body being out of manifold. Checked all oils and they are all clean. They checked over the whole bike and everything seems tip-top. The problem on that trail on Father's Day was apparently the throttle body was not in the manifold properly. It had popped out somehow or whatever, and the mechanic put it back in, and the engine light turned off, and we were ready to go. Anyways, let's stop talking and let's start riding. Let's see how this baby works. We'll talk a bit more as we go on. For now, I guess we'll go around to the cornfield and see what's happening. And here we are again on a test run. Hopefully it's the last test run in a long, long time. Let's go, Alpha Riders. And I'm sorry again for the long delay.